When we detected through intelligence, we learned that Burundi was actually preparing and sending troops to Goma and the north, the eastern Congo, to fight on the side, Eastern African Regional Force. I called by phone. I asked to talk to President Ndayishimiye, and I did. And I asked him, I said, President, I have heard that you are sending a force, another force other than that one in the East African Community Regional Force, to fight on behalf of the government of Kinshasa. I said, that is in contradiction with why the East African Regional Force was formed that you are participating in. So you are going to participate in something else. And I told him, I said, this is dangerous, and you understand the implication. You are actually threatening us with your presence in support of FDRL near our border. I said, he swore to me that that's not true. He said, no. He said, whoever told me must have told me lies. And I said, oh, I'm happy to be wrong. If I'm wrong, well and good. I'm really happy to hear that. But 2 weeks after, they were in Goma. Or even less than 2 weeks. So you can see, he even told me lies. I think of primitivity. We still have primitive politics going on based on ethnic. And this is exactly what brings together Tshisekedi, Ndayishimiye, and FDRL.